Enterococcus faecium L3 has very distinctive anti-inflammatory features, which basically on the genetic level are connected with the ability of producing specific antimicrobial peptides, so-called bacteriocins or enterocins. These little molecules produced by the strain can specifically kill many pathogenic bacteria. How it works in the organism of the human beings? Many people know that so-called Helicobacter pylori is the pathogen living in gastric mucosa and causing gastric ulcers and well-known gastritis. So what we saw on our patients when we provided them with Enterococcus faecium L3 inside the bonbons lamina lact, the Helicobacter pylori was dying and were eliminated out of the patients even without using antibiotics. So basically, what probiotics can do? They can eradicate pathogenic bacteria causing very serious disease just by taking probiotics. And if you take probiotics together with antibiotics, which is quite possible to do, the activity of antibiotic against the pathogen increases. Many people ask whether it is possible to use probiotics together with antibiotics. There is no answer, because you can't generalize the probiotics. Probiotics are quite different bacteria. But if we are talking about Enterococcus faecium L3, this strain and the products containing this strain can be used with most kinds of antibiotics with very good effects by eradicating the bacteria. For example, on the laboratory animals with experimental vaginal infection caused by streptococci or staphylococci, Enterococcus faecium L3 strain was able to eliminate the pathogen out of the vaginal mucosa as fast as antibiotic used as control. What it teaches us? It teaches us that in many cases there is no necessity to jump on using antibiotics in case of minor infections. I'm not trying to propagate probiotic as something which have to completely eliminate antibiotic treatment. Not at all. I'm a medical doctor and I'm a realist. But in many cases, probiotic can substitute antibiotic treatment with all bad functions of antibiotic which can be seen in the organism of people taking antibiotic, because nobody argues that after antibiotic, dysbiotic condition is very distinct, and it takes a long time, because the normal microbiota, which basically is the organ of the human being inside the organism of anyone, is heavily damaged by antibiotic. Probiotic is quite different. You take it, it works, it goes away, and you are healthy. That's the major difference between antibiotic treatment and treatment with probiotic. So basically what I suggest, first of all, before you take antibiotic, think twice and consult the doctor. And in many cases you can avoid using antibiotic and just substitute with just general probiotic like Enterococcus physarum 3. Ну, что еще можно